Police confirms Nagamapal grenade attack was perpetrated under one self-styled measure of proscribed outfit UNLF. Chief Minister Nongtho Mamirin inaugurates Senapati District Women Market Sheet and lays foundation stones for various other projects today. Two-member Independent Inquiry Committee starts investigations into Professor A.P. Pandey case in Manipur University this afternoon. After Manipur MP Thangso Baite expresses apprehensions over improper functioning of National Sports University. State Weight and Measures Department seized tampered weighing machines and scales from Quaranban market. And MLA Kerao L. Rameshwar launches a 21-day-long Leshang Hidden Festival come Expo 2018 at Leshang Hidden Heritage Site in Pal Ahanbe today. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Tuesday English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and latest news at this hour. First up, Superintendent of Police Imphal West District, Haubijam Jogeshchandra has intimated that the grenade attack on running CRPF truck in front of Nagamapal Ibudho Moirangpurel Community Hall on October 20th was perpetrated under one self-styled measure of proscribed outfit UNLF Umakanta. Imphal West Police today produced 5 persons, including a woman involved in the bomb explosion and 3 pistols, some live rounds and mobile handsets recovered from the miscreants before the media. The arrested persons are identified as Kaidem Sana, 42 years, son of K.H. Babu from Nongren Makalaikai, Nipko President Oinam Premjit, 42 years, and his wife Khangjalakpam Ningol Oinam Pinky, 33 years, from Oinam Awanglaikai, Nipko Publicity Secretary Sahabuddin Chesaba, 39 years, son of late Rahmatulal from Fabok Chao, and Yumlembam Milan, 34 years, son of late Yumlembam Manihar from Nongren Maninglaikai. Speaking to media at the conference hall of SP Imphal West office in Babupara, SP Imphal West Haubijam Jogeshchandra said a case was registered right after the Nagamapal grenade attack at Imphal City Police Station. Subsequently, acting on a reliable source, a team of Imphal West Police under his overall supervision and supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operation Imphal West, Tokchom Krishna Tombi, led by Deputy Superintendent of Police Operation Amarjit Lamabam, Deputy Superintendent of Police Commando Moirangthem Amit, Deputy Superintendent of Police Commando Irom Rojit and OC Commando Imphal West, Inspector P. Achoba, along with Case Investigating Officer SDPO Imphal Yumnam Joyras arrested Khaidem Sana, 42 years, son of K.H. Babu, a resident of Nongren Makalaikai, from a rented house at Nagamapal Lamabam Laikai during a cordon and search operation around 10:30 p.m. on October 28. SP Jogeshchandra said, during interrogation, Khaidem Sana confessed that the grenade attack was carried out under one UNLF self-styled measure. Umakanta and others involved in the bomb blast were subsequently arrested. The SP also intimated that setup of the crime has been identified and two-wheeler Honda Activa used to perpetrate the crime has been recovered by the police. He also disclosed that incriminating items including documents and over 44,000 rupees cash were recovered during a raid at NIPCO office. SP Jogeshchandra strongly condemned the bomb blast and involvement of NIPCO present in the crime.
Organization Nikogi President amasung Organization Secretary oriba Premjit amasung Sahabuddin anina thawdosida involved toramba amasung makoina masigi thabak stage da yam kanna crime se commit tawbagi stage da achoba role ama lorambase masimti from our police side koi condemn tawi makha tarakpadum search tawbada khulai ahum 9mm ama .38 revolver ani amasung mobile kaya ama paisa na chingba kaya ama su mathang recover tawba ngami tawribo operation setup adum amasung loina moina numitu da tonga season aba activa koina CCTV camera do uba kanana thawi kanana tongi kamaina langi haibudu yam clear oina macha singna khangba ngame investigation tawba procedure amasung setup se crime commit tawba mi si loina phange tawba thabak sidi under the instruction and command of one major Umakanto of UNLF ni Premjit ki nupi Pinky nama koina arrest tawbu yawi post ma custody da man hide tawra si miam si container amada pulap hapaga oinamgi magi yungi yena khadu da lebana kupsalaga thamambani madagi akoi nungdang da chalaga tawra lokthu.
Chief Minister has inaugurated Senapati District Women Market Shade called Afi Saliki around noon today. The market was handed over to women vendors after necessary rituals. Chief Minister Biren also laid the foundation stones for construction of a 100-bedded model residential school at Bedramai, transit accommodation building for doctors and teachers at Paumata, a water supply scheme for Senapati District Headquarters, and the mini outdoor stadium at Senapati Public Ground. Cabinet ministers, MLAs and relevant officials accompanied the Chief Minister during the ceremony held at multi-purpose indoor stadium in Rikumai, Tafo. The issue of street vendors in Imphal city is not resolved yet. Stores and shop owners who are paying tax to the authority concerned protested against allowing street vendors to carry out business transactions in front of their shops. Taking part in the protest held at Khoyanban Market and Alugali today, market leader Khairakpam Manglai stated that government has already issued order against street vendors, but still they are continuing with their business by occupying roadsides and space in front of legal shops. She complained that street vendors are hampering the business of illegal shopkeepers. She also mentioned the traffic congestion caused by the street vendors. Manglai drew the attention of state government and authority concerned to look into the matter without further delay.
Misana hai ayuki pung nipan bak phamanlu adui matong de nungdang gi pung taruk te phamanlu hai adu hab jo khoi yare tumina leire leiba matam da hajik te nongam de nuita bak jo khurak khang da phamamina chakau wa matam jok chome nambi chanan ngai leita ba ana ba yek pa porok ta loina phamjal len ba dum ba khudong thi ba duna aduna hajik che ayuki pung nipan bak phamba jo phaman biu nungdang gi pung taruk ta gi na makha ta na phamba da khoi kanam ta thingoi adu gi makha da hena nam hena phamak padi apha pata khuding mak isi ben da gi daito ni sarkar gi daito ni
Post money yon zala mina khoi dukan da pot amu khoi yondre adana makhoi su atopa jaga amada alternative arrangement ama government na tawberaga phaman bibada akhoi gi objection leijade just akhoi na pami se sigi matek area se sida makhoi akhoi phaman da pame karimba masjid municipality na sab action taragadi akhoi na akhoi gi dukan gi shop license akhoi municipality loina akhoi hanto ne akhoi
Mapithel Dam-affected Chingtam organization has denounced the band called by Mapithel Dam-affected villages Hetman Chiefs organization along Imphal-Ukru Road. The organization also refuted Mapithel Dam-affected villages Hetman Chiefs organization's claim that Mapithel Dam-affected Chingtam organization has been discarded, which appeared on local dailies on October 28 as baseless. Speaking to media at the office of Mapithel Dam-affected Chingtam organization in Moirangpurel today, organizing secretary T. Somorjit alleged that Mapithel Dam-affected villages Hetman Chiefs organization was formed by some self-centric and profit-minded individuals who want to get benefit out of the dam-affected people. Taking part in the press meet, organizing chairman Ramthar Caesar stated that some of their former members formed Mapithel Dam-affected villages Hetman Chiefs organization and tried to misguide their cause through media. He warned the organization not to defame Mapithel Dam-affected Chingtam organization and demanded former secretary of Mapitel Dam Affected Chingtam organization, who has now joined Mapitel Dam Affected Villages Headman Chiefs organization, to return all the important documents he has taken with him or to face formidable consequences.
MDAC to Harris 2008 tagi Horaga Hojik Papa Prajana support of Prajagi the Maksatpa organization ni Aduga Hojiki Headman Elders Chiefs organization Habasidi Kungi Headman Chief Adumba Mioi Karana Masai Kudong Chap Lona Nava Semba organization ni
Achuk Queen a Waminaraga Chahi Tarahana Hominaraga Waminaraga Puminaraga Sida Jimmy Kakta Kando America Equi Jinal Tami Yamda than a Tori Bishdi Yamna Kaini Mashakshu Oi Adaka Mabu Yam Pataba Equi area Yam no Shina labor no Shigba Mayamdo Adushu Mangani Adana Makwiki organization city Equi Mota Makwashi would the edition Yaning Day.
The two-member Independent Inquiry Committee has started its investigation into Professor Adi Prasad Pandey case in Manipur University this afternoon. Chairman of the Inquiry Committee and former Acting Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, T. Nandakumar, demanded MU Administrator Jarnal Singh to submit all the relevant files required for the inquiry through the registrar. The other member of the Inquiry Committee and a former Vice-Chancellor of Tejpur University, M.K. Chaudhary, also inspected the office of Vice-Chancellor and Registrar of the university. Relevant authorities of Manipur University and Imphal West District Magistrate Nauram Praveen assisted the Inquiry Committee. It may be mentioned that the committee has not submitted any report regarding the allegation charged by Manipur University community against former Vice-Chancellor Professor Adi Prasad Pandey. District Administration Imphal East organized a go-to village mission camp for Hukup, Karpur, Sungba villages at Huikup Awang Laikai Community Hall in Andhro constituency today. Speaking in the event, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar called for cooperation between the public and the government to bring development. He also urged department officials to avail all the government schemes and benefits to beneficiaries. 3 saplings were also planted on the occasion. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham to raise awareness on self-defense among girls. He was speaking at the mega self-defense demonstration program for girls as a part of Mission Sahasi Making of the Fearless, organized by Akhil Bharatiya Bidharthi Parishad AVBP Manipur at the multi-purpose indoor hall of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. Minister Radhesham maintained that Indian government's Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao mission will be successful only when girls are protected against any sorts of physical or mental harassment.
Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya Kitsa Khatagi Tamba Alumni School Tarama Phai Residential School Mapal ne Akhoi Manipur Pumada Aduna so high level course Kitsa Sin Tawhan Sayori Aduna Akhoi so Education Department already it is in the pipeline Akhoi Hana Kana Bo Police School Sinda Sigumba Khaba course of Pira Self Defense Kitsa Sin Khatagi Adu Women Commission so Hana Akhoi Tana Sin Tawsira Hana Akhoi Larik Kamise to serve. Akhoi Thabak Tawrise to serve. Akhoi Naksang Parise to serve whom? The humanity. Mioi Bahasa Simu serve Tonama Mating Pale Tanta. Akhoi Hingibni, Akhoi Laibani, Light Tamibani, Thabak Tawri. Kasturba.
Speaking in the valedictory event, Shanglin in Palace Compound, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham asserted that learning Thangta can instill discipline among children. However, Thangta as a subject for higher studies will limit career choice for a child without any knowledge-based education. He also urged everyone not to be solely dependent on government jobs.
Madu akoi education da awang matha phok tamba kana part subject amu oini yawba kana asi kana basi kari no haibisi munan nei nabam sang but akoi angang singna afaba line lom sakado dura mark phangaga I parikha pass to line line na thang ta lawge class to druse thang ta subject sim lawge de irai line pass to he oja sing oja su leitabna adai kaisu to ngam khangna pass to ni lawrak to adai angang sing do easy going oirani higher secondary BA ta manadi BA lore MA lore kan thang ta lore pasina phangdore thabak si kaino only akoi oja hap nabi damakta natraga keno tongna angang sing parikha do line pass to ni dongta hangdok ta ya de haina khallaga hangdok pa tarak di that may not be correct.
Outer Manipur MP Thangso Baite has expressed apprehension over improper functioning of National Sports University, Manipur, while launching the two-day international seminar on Indians Act East policy with reference to Manipur at Rayburn College, New Lamka in Churachandpur today. Rayburn College and the Department of Travel Studies, Indira Gandhi National Travel University, Regional Campus Manipur, IGNTU, RCM jointly organized a seminar. Speaking on the occasion, Thangso lamented that the National Sports University, being amongst the first of its kind to be established under India's vision to Northeast states, still lacks proper facilities of a full-fledged university, and no new upgrade has been made so far. He maintained that people must unite to bring about a good approach in the university, as people in the state need to change as the world changes. Taking part in the event, Manipur convener of Act East Committee R.K. Sivachandra said, Indian government's special programs in relation to Act East policy will not be possible without Manipur, and Manipur must maintain good relations with its neighboring states to execute the policy successfully.
We are very small state in spite of that. Because of the sports potentiality we have, that national award has been given to us. Now we have to see it, whether the sports university is good for, not only for the state, it should be good for neighboring states. Because it is, so to say, only one time and a unique university of India. There is no other sports university in any part of India. We are very...
Manipur Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium has launched a 3-day training program on a new dimension of agricultural marketing at Farmers Training Hall of the Directorate of Agriculture in Sanjanthong today. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Chief Secretary of the Agriculture Department, Lekogin Haukib, stressed the need to aware farmers on crop insurance during any agricultural-related training and awareness programs. He lamented that farmers are still unaware about crop insurance even after many training and awareness programs. Lekogin Haukib conveyed that a farmer can get up to 68,000 rupees if the farmer insures his crop by paying a timely minimal premium under Prime Minister's Fasal Bima Yojana. Taking part in the program, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium, M.S. Khaidim, lamented that farmers are unable to price their own produces. He added, agricultural produces of the country have doubled, but farmers' income have not doubled yet. He also stressed the need to utilize special technology for cost-effective production and special marketing strategy to make Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of doubling farmers' income by 2020 a success. Joint Director of ICAR Northeast Hill Region Manipur Center, Dr. I. Megachandra, Deputy Director of Marketing and Skill Development NIAM Jaipur, Dr. S.R. Singh, subject experts and many farmers attended the program.
Insurance ki matang se low soirak pakanda Aya, soy kare haiduna. Department butaisin ba suyawe. Natraga kana won the tainangai su hon ne. Karigi low bu khoisin na karigi. Prime Minister Fasal Bisma Hayosna haiduna. Ama labor se karigi na koi kauthok praba. Ensure habadi. Low todringe natraga tobu kandasu 4 stages ta piba yabane. Ensure tobu yabane na.
Whatever product we produce, if we can sell it at a remunerative price, we cannot double our income. To double our income, we have to apply different technologies. At the same time, we have to reduce the cost of production. Unless we reduce the cost of production, it is difficult to double our income. Again, if we have a sufficient production, if we are unable to market it at a remunerative price, we cannot double our income. Therefore, it is a need of the hour to adopt this new dimension on agricultural marketing.
Insurance.
The 2-month-long hand embroidery training for women under the sponsorship of National Other Backward Class Finance and Development Corporation, Government of India, held at Langmaidong Maning Mayai Laikai in Kakching district concluded today. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur and Himkon, Shimla jointly organized a training program. A stipend of 1,000 rupees per month was given to 50 trainees. The item produced by the trained women will be made available in the international market. A team of weight and measures department officials led by its director Yumnam Ranjan seized tampered weighing machines and scales from Koyanban market today. Director Yumnam Ranjan appealed to the public to notify the department if any vendor uses tampered weighing machines. Inspectors and staffs of the department inspected weighing machines even in hospitals since early this morning. Hospital authorities were instructed to keep accurate weighing machines and to verify the machines beforehand with the department to rectify any inaccuracy. Shops selling vehicle parts, cement and other commodities without proper MRP tags were apprehended and further instructed to use appropriate weighing machines. The department intimated media that such drives will be carried out regularly in the market and many parts of the state until Ningol Chakoba festival gets over.
Sumdragana, a combined rectification, the Wadaki Haiba, Adugumba advisory, the hospital authorities in the Aduga Amana festival season, Lakpaga, Marie Lainana, we market the Lairiba, we pot say sing, see, Masi, vendor sings in a sumna, we watch olive on the Brazil, when verify the Suyauri, Madugi, Matungi, now, Ima market, which Sangza Rurea, Duga, Serpola Lana, season Ramba. Mayamasu akhoi ngasi sis tawzara LPG dukan sing moi weight sisu akhoi verify tawzagani masi akhoi department na inspector sing yam toina chatpa ama mathau tai madu akhoi aigi department gi inspector ring la award apa laita garchu akhoi toina chatnana ba akhoi adum direction pi dunu se lairibani he na chu toina chathanjage aduga matungda amugu akhoi gi public ki awareness moi gi vigilance amasu sangba public na khut adugumba thengaba taragadi akhoi gi department ni yam thuna report tawbiru maming matha yauna akhoi
District Election Officer Imphal West in the press release informed that a meeting with the representatives of all the political parties in Imphal West and Imphal West District AEROs will be convened at the Kombire Hall of DC Office Complex, Lamphal Part at noon tomorrow. 54th Battalion Border Security Force under the aegis of Sector Headquarters Border Security Force CI Operation Koiringai held interaction programs with students of Chawyaima Higher Secondary School Thobal, Sangai Yumpham Higher Secondary School, Sangai Yumpham and Kakching Model Higher Secondary School today. Resource persons highlighted the contributions of late Constable T.S. Biswajit, Constable Inder Rahman and late N.K.M.K. Singh to the students. The battalion also presented sports items to the schools. Three unidentified armed miscreants robbed money and vehicle documents from two four-wheelers, a Vero car and a Tata Sumo, coming from More toward Imphal between Thamna Pokpi village and Bongyan village of Technopole district around 12:30 this afternoon. Impact News sources said Technopole police and Kukching police teams immediately rushed and conducted combing operations in the area. Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee More had set ablaze seized heroin powder and narcotic tablets worth around 15 lakh rupees today. The contraband drugs were seized during a series of drives conducted in October. The seized heroin powder and World is Yours tablets were displayed before village heads and media at Hill Travel Council More office before destroying them. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA drew the attention of the state government at the lack of proper roadways and electricity in Babukhal, Sabukhat and Borokhal villages in Juribam district. Briefing media at IPSA office in Keshampada today, IPSA President Joy Chandra Konthausam lamented that pathetic road conditions have hindered development of the three villages producing various horticulture produces. He appealed to the government to take necessary measures for the three villages without further delay.
Mioiba khunai aikhoina hingbada lambi thong amadi electric ase tangai phadana darka oi masi semnanabagi damakta hanasu lengakta haijagare ngasi su amuka hana haijari karigumba lengakna sembi drabadi madugi afafada lengakna pugadamni haina ipsana amuka hana miyamda thamjari.
Manipur People's Party has blamed both the Congress Party and the BJP for the prevailing unrest in Manipur. Speaking to media at MPP office today, President of the party, O. Jugindro, asserted that the two national parties are to be blamed for various issues of the state like ILP issue, APSPA, drug-related issues, etc. He said it is high time that people of the state turn towards the indigenous party of the state. He also mentioned that over 1,000 executive members of MPP will be taking part in the October mass rally called by United Committee Manipur tomorrow.
Congress amasung BJP na hek sason pairi makai hariba ekoi nagagi solution ja purak ngamoi sini ekoi harisi masi purak haragadi ekoi amicably solution purak nabi damakta MPP da sason piba darkar lei sini ekoi na miyam da appeal tawni se number of thousands ekoi hayeng participate tawni.
Advisor of KSA Thobal District, Suraj Khangembam, has appealed not to organize any function before the conclusion of October March Rally 2018. Addressing media at UCM office in Lamphel today, Suraj stated that Students Association, namely AMSU and KSA, will extend full support for the rally to be held tomorrow, and as such, all school van services will be utilized in arranging the rally. He urged parents and guardians of students to make alternate arrangements for transportation of their wards to schools and colleges.
All Manipur School Student Transport Association Transport Association makadala Ben service to wiriba sinawjingna rally asibu makhoi Ben singasi mass rally gi transport ta mateng pauna marum oraga hayengi oina school khudimakta guardian singna Ben ngaibidana isa isa gi isa inawjingbu school bawa drop to wino widamukta punbalof oriba satrani gi makidigi kongdoksari rally asi pung ahum bogi manung da loibe ya hina khanjai sibok loidringai marak sida naguma organization tanai gi tuan ba function program sing amata to bidana ba thamjari jai kunga mathoi hena namsanduna laglaba warisen propagam draba punbagi saktam amabu kainaba honariba loisan bangamdana lagliba sigi matangda jasagadu rally asi kanagumba proof kanagumba jati amatada singaduna moigi mayokta achaba release nasate apunbagi saktam kaibe yaroi apunbagi saktam gidamta ngasiju manipurda leba parja proof khudimona lebi habigi wakalonda achabani hayeng.
On the other hand, All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee (AMUKOC) has resolved not to physically support the mass rally called by United Committee UCM. AMUKOC further stated that it supports the motive of the mass rally but disagreed with the ideology of UCM. AMUKOC stated that the committee and its constituent bodies earlier decided to support the mass rally after holding meetings with UCM. However, it has now resolved to withdraw their support in the last minute, owing to recent episodes of UCM defying certain decisions agreed between them.
यानखिबगे मतुंगिना Manipur ki leiriba pangan singase amapok ki khuthangda saruk yahnanabagi damakta lokham thokpa thudang lobiyo haiba mai wafam sigi matungina akoina thudang lawjaraba aduga loinana madu lawraga miyam sina saruk yabagi stage ama leiraba matam sida aikoi ki All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee sen Manipur ki pangan singi apex body amani haibase masi akai yusian ki maikai de accept to biraktaba loinana hayeng ki adugumba rally loraga hamle doiba mi phamduda amokoki adumba saruk yananabagi oiba haktu madu deny torba tangai phatana koi amoko as an apex body of Manipuri Muslim community we are absent from this rally.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 21-day Lesheng Hidden Festival come Expo 2018 launched today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News. MLA Kairao L. Rameshwar has launched a 21-day Lesheng Hidden Festival come Expo 2018 at Lesheng Hidden Heritage Site in Pal Ahanbi today. Lesheng Hidden Protection and Development Authority organized the expo with an aim to promote Lesheng Hidden as a tourist spot. Speaking to media, MLA L. Rameshwar stated that the festival cum expo will provide employment opportunity to unemployed youths of Thongju, Kairao and Langthabal constituencies. He stated that plantation and cleanliness drive are being carried out in and around Lesheng Hidden to preserve the historic place and develop into a tourist spot. Lauding Mahut Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar for all his contribution into the project, Rameshwar expressed a desire for MLA Thongju and Works Minister T.H. Biswajit and MLA Langthabal and CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam to extend their assistance. MLA Rameshwar maintained that a society cannot develop without punctuality and urged everyone to carry out their duties on time.
ngasi sinjari festival asana kana pido je maroi na khoi akoi bada lariba thongju kendra gi langthwan kendra gi amade karau kendra gi praja singda khoi thau phangdon ha mayam ama thau phangne pandam da amadi lesain deng gi akoi bji mosalak bai da nong nong mi sma khoi gi lam hang wajing je amana khoi wasias kumba da pian wasalak wasu kumje kanoi pandam da amadi akoi bji uwa thara kanda akoi gi haying tung koi na halaman mai am walking chat pa yana ba da gi imphal area da kangla gi mathang da yam chaw du ba transport oine pandam da khoi kamitana jaga semgo chabane mayam da in pawjen jarbe je khoi asugum le saiden semgo lakpa chida manu paja mayam na corporation pibi rakanda khoi ge environment amadi sugum tourist spot oya bajida mateng pangbi hauji mai mayam da ai request je pawjen jari
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit in a press release wishes for a harmonious and peaceful state on the eve of Chin Kuki Mizo community's good festival. Ngaton and Pengba Fish Fair will be held on November 8 at S. Tomba and San Pengba and Ngaton Fish Farms in Hyangthang in view of Ningol Chakova Festival. Pengba fish weighing 200 to 700 grams and Ngaton fish weighing 50 to 70 grams will be available at discounted rates during the fair. Managing Director cum proprietor of the fish farm, Soibam Surchandra, said that the fish fair will be held from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. on November 8. He added that fish rear for over 3 years, including Pengba fish weighing 10 kilograms and Ngaton fish weighing 5 kilograms, will be available at the fair. He also mentioned that S. Tomba and San Pengba and Ngaton fish farm has come up with a remedy of epigenetic ulcerative syndrome EUS found in Ngaton and Pengba fish after rigorous 3 years of experiments. Surchandra highlighted the benefits of using Aquamix, Planktomin, Ultracite and Biokilin medicine to save fishes from various diseases.
Koi mui kidroba mang hidroba hena mayam mi painroba nga makhalam khangni pengba hariba nga turba aniji masi mulaloi haibagi singna bamgolo na ai samakna 1980 ga 4 dagi masi khoi ima ipa ai bogi ima ipa gi supervision gi makha da ko hona jarakpani 2002 dagi aina aham boina nga gi mela da puthoki pengba ji awdagi sim mathang hona puduna hojikti mamang sei 2007 8 gi ai ma sunu puthopangame अदमुक अचौजों पुथोप ngam अदुबो हंदक्तगिदि पेंगबाजी स्पेशल on मैम पानब थाइना पेंगबा केजी लुमी किलो मखाल मैम मधुमक आई पानम थमगा हंदकिजिदा अचौबो पुथोखेन स्पेशल on मेलाजे सिनजगे हदुना आई तौजबनी
Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited in a press release informs that Kangla Light and Sound Show has been postponed indefinitely due to unavoidable circumstances. Diamond Youth Welfare Association Sangai Yumpham celebrated its 37th Foundation Day at Sangai Yumpham Pulai Pokpi Community Hall today. 13 founders who took great roles in establishing the association were felicitated on the occasion. Speaking in the event, MLA Kangabog O. Suraja Kumar appealed to distance the upcoming generations from narcotic drugs. Manipur's renowned comedian Huirem Manglem passed away at 74 in his residence at Sagolban, Maino Lerak last night. Huirem Manglem was on nose feet after suffering a stroke since August 15 last year. Born in 1948, Manglem is the only son of Huirem Tonsing and Huirem Punimashi. The late comedian, popularly known as Ta Tomal for his role in Lamja Pasuram, a Manipur celluloid film, acted in many Manipuri films, dramas and Sumang Leelas during his lifetime. He ventured as a drama artist for Manipur satirical writer G.C. Tongber's Society Theatre in 1967. He gave some of his memorable performances in Manipuri dramas, namely Mani Mamau, Janaba Khainaba, Sanagi Saji, Kalpana Pataugi, Nithau, Tapta, Ngabong Khao, Leshabi Chitikela. Late Huirem Manglem is survived by his wife, 2 daughters and 2 sons. It may be mentioned that his son, Vises Huirem, is a renowned lead actor of Sumang Leela. The Indian Association of Physiotherapists in a press release informed that a one-day continuing medical education CME on women health pre- and post-natal exercises was held at RIMS Lecture Hall, room number 3 today. Physiotherapists Dr. Madhu Kumanthem and Dr. Saugrakpam Roshni gave resourceful insights on the topic. Around 30 physiotherapists attending the event, organized by the Indian Association of Physiotherapists Women's Cell Imphal East Branch, Manipur State, were also felicitated with certificates issued by IAPWC. Afternoon Delhi Pokta Khidan celebrated its 4th anniversary at its office in Kaishamthong, Longjam, Lerak today. Speakers in the event called for free zone of media as well as impartial and sincere discharge of duties by journalists for successful journalism. Nehru Yuba Kendra Thoubal has organized a district-level declamation contest at the office complex of Thoubal Deputy Commissioner today. The contest on the theme Patriotism and Nation Building was organized in relation to 2019 Republic Day. Students of 7 colleges in the district took part in the event. Moirangthem Amarjit from Hairok won the contest to enter the state-level contest. A 3-day second youth festival Imphal Jamboree Youth Conclave on the theme of Future Our Responsibility will be held from November 2nd to 4th at City Convention Center. The same was intimated by member of Global Shepherds Community Imphal, Elizabeth Okram, to media at Manipur Press Club today. She also stated that the annual Imphal Jamboree is organized by Global Shepherds Community Imphal with an aim to guide youths of the state.
Hakoina Hazabadi Akoigi futures Akoigi youth ki makuta lay Aduna Akoigi youth sina afaba when they become better decision makers feel our future will be brighter. So Sigi beliefs sida Hakoina design those ariba sessions ingze sub theme ahumda design those abani education, environment and entrepreneurship. Adugi mathakta Akoigi youth leadership development session kharuzo marakta tum hapchai koina organize those gadori se 2nd November daina 4th November phawa City Convention Center the 3 days packed programs oina design those abani keynote session amadi workshop oina sessions in the design to say any youth na participate tauge hairagadi akoigi website laise globalshapersinfal.org sidai sida adum log on tobiraga akoigi adum online registration tobiraga 2nd November da session je yawba lakina ba ai akoigi Manipur ki youth population sida appeal tawzari.
Now the sports news. Wusu player Sanatombi Chanu, Laima Pokpam and Wusu coach Sachidananda Mayanglambam were selected in the Indian Wusu team to participate in the upcoming second Talo World Cup at Yangon in Myanmar. Sanatombi will compete in Taiji Kwan event of the tournament under International Wusu Federation to be held from November 14 to 19. Neroka FC is all ready to face Gokulam at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex Stadium in its second Hero I-League match tomorrow. Speaking to media ahead of the match at Sirui Banquet Hall of Hotel Imphal today, head coach of Gokulam Kerala FC, Bino George Chiramal Padin Zarathala, Gokulam Kerala FC with its players from Argentina, Ghana, United Kingdom, Brazil and Uganda are all set to beat home team Neroka in tomorrow's match. Meanwhile, chief coach of Neroka FC, Manuel Retamero Farrell, also assured of rising as winners after losing its first match.
Tell you now, because to be honest, I like to respect my team, my players. Maybe they know for sure after the last practice today, but you will see maybe more difference than the last match because we must improve. So I need to think something for improve, not just about us, also about the opponent team. If we can choose something for to enjoy the weak points from the opponent team. Tell you now, because to be honest, I like to respect my team, my players. Maybe they know for sure after the last practice today.
Athletic Association of Manipur is organizing its 12th Mega Marathon on November 4th. The association has been organizing the event since 2007 with an aim to promote unity and diversity in the state devoid of drug abuse. The 21.5-kilometer race will reflect off from Kuman Lampak Men's Stadium and pass through Kuman Lampak Men's Stadium, Dinku Road, Lila Singh Kongnangkong, Thangmaiban, Khoyathong, Nagamapal, Rims Road, Naurimthong, Tera Kaithel, Kwa Kaithel, Bishumthong, Singjumaithong, Kongba, Ayangpali Road, Borompat, Lamlong Market, Dinku Road and finally conclude at its initial point. Briefing media at the conference hall of All Manipur Sports Association in Polo Ground yesterday, tracksuit sponsored of Mega Marathon, proprietor of Avian House, C.H. Durbatara, appealed to clubs, organizations and associations and elders to motivate and cheer the marathoners as they pass through their respective localities. Vice President N. Rupachandra and Assistant Organizing Secretary A. Loya Lakpa were present at the press meet.
Handaki lakadriba November tang mari sida akoina taragani thirok shuba Mega Marathon Manipur si Manipur gi akoi edugumlaba Kuman Lampaki main stadium dagi akoi lamtha jarakanda Imphal gi tongan ba mafamsing kilometer kuma thoiga makhai sangba sigum lamjel si akoi loisin jagani aduna sigumlaba marathon si akoi sinaba honabada tongan ba माइकई कयादगी अखोई फॉर्म लोबिखिब इसिनाउसिंग अखोई फॉर्म सिंग मतम चाना अखोई सबमिट तौबिरनबा अखोई निंगसिंगजरी हंदकी लाकदुरिबा नवेम्बरगी
Laishram, who bagged a gold medal in the International World Karate Federation WKF Championship 2018 held at Guwahati, was felicitated today. Kanglei Park Mixed Martial Arts Club Kimax organized the felicitation program at Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal. MLA Yashul Thokchom Saitabrata, KMMAC President Ayam Mairaba Kuman, actor R.K. Kaiku, Eastern Suzuki, The Enterprises A. Sarachandra, Langai Managing Director Telem Amudon Kuman, and many people attended the event. Players of the first season of Manipur Fight League were felicitated, and second season of the Fight League was also announced on the occasion. Fifth players and 4 support staffs of Manipur Cricket Association left Imphal today to participate in the Senior Men's Ranji Trophy in Kolkata. Manipur cricket team will play its first historic match of the Ranji Trophy at 2nd Campus Salt Lake Stadium of Jabatpur University in Kolkata on November 1st. Coach Chief Sudargas, Physio Pavan Kumar Talupuru, trainer Manish Jha and manager K. Basanta will supervise the team. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. SP Imphal West confirms Nagamapal grenade attack was perpetrated under one self-styled measure of Proscard outfit UNLF. Chief Minister Nongthom Biren inaugurates Sanapati District Women Market Shade and lays foundation stone for various other projects today. Two-member Independent Inquiry Committee starts investigations into Professor Adi Prasad Pandey case in Manipur University this afternoon. After Manipur MP Thangso Baiti expresses apprehensions over improper functioning of National Sports University. State Weight and Measures Department seized tampered weighing machines and scales from Khairanban market. And MLA Kairao L. Rameshwar launches a 21-day-long Leshang Hidden Festival Come Expo 2018 at Leshang Hidden Heritage Site in Pal Ahandi today.